Okay guys, so here's the Mackie. I did a little work to it. I had put a fan in it that was the same size fan, but it was just a wimpier version. So I took some stuff apart and found an AC fan, a monster. This is a T design, T cooling. It pulls in the front, pulls it across the power or capacitor reserve board here, pulls it across the transformer, and then comes in, and the heat sink, it comes out and blows out either side. And a little bit of it gets in the back and comes out some vents back there. But that's really a good way to keep these things cool. That's why they call them T cooling or whatever. Anyway, so here's a look at the front again. Really like Mackie. I've had a bunch of Mackie stuff. 2 powered subs, 15s, and 3 m2600Is. Set of 15 and horn tops, which are S500s. And a board, 16-channel compact board. I've had the, what do they call it? The 1644 with the VLZ pickups. Anyway, preamps in it. But this thing's awesome. Widened these out so I could just put a screwdriver through there, do it the easy way instead of trying to do it the slow way. I just used the step drill bit for that. Use this insulated, cut in there. I didn't want it running all the time, so what I did was I just for now put an external switch on it. What I'm going to do, did a little heat shrink in there. This is 105C wiring here, so it's, you know, can get hot. I just tied in where it comes in at the back there, and so I wanted to just show you what's going on. We're going to fire it up and test it out here. I've had the whole power module out and everything, so I don't know what's going on. I've had it all taken apart. We'll see. I wanted to show you the back one more time. You can use this. The way this is all set up here, really cool the way they set it up. 1/2-inch nut driver for your binding posts. Skinny wires, I know for test, don't have the right plug for this. It takes a heavy duty high current plug. It's 2000 watts or what, 20 amp draw there at full load. So I'm just gator clipped it into a orange extension cord for now. Works fine. Speak-ons, 2600 watts. 4 ohm, that's bridged. I'm running out of the Marantz, or you know, the old Sansui seater player in the Marantz, out into here, and you can use the crossover in this. You can use this to power the lows. You use your VLZs tied into another amp, like the Carbon or whatever. You can use the VLZs or the you know, the transformer, whatever, I can't remember what they call it, the microphone jacks. You can use this to power the lows, and then you set your setting here, and then have this power the highs, or the opposite. You can use one channel for, say, or you know, one amp to power monitors and 1 amp to power the other, 1 amp to power tops and bottoms. So this can, with this crossover, will send the crossover through, or it will cut the highs or lows. So it's really cool. You can do a lot of stuff with this thing. Anyway, I don't want to make this video too long. I just erased the last one I made. It was 7 minutes, and I accidentally erased it. So just about screamed. So with this guy, we're going to show you what's going to happen here. I've got the CD player on pause, and I'm going to turn it on, and we'll see what happens here. This is the switch for the fan, by the way, if I didn't tell you. Doing that now. Eventually, I'll put a mini switch right here, just one of those little Radio Shack mini switches for that, because I don't want it to be able to have to run all the time, and I don't have a sensor in there right now. So, and I like this fan, blows a ton of air. I'll try to get a piece of paper and show you. Maybe share it blows once we get it going here, whatever. So here we go. Let's turn it on and show you what it does. It clicks a little bit extra a few times, but it's working great now. What it used to do would, this is for both channels, hot, and should be a yellow one there for medium, but it doesn't have it. But it'll show you protect short. I've tested it. It'll show just the short, or the protect mode is if it's hot, it'll go into protect mode. The shorts don't light up then, but cool deal here. So let's crank it wide open, like you're supposed to always run it wide open and run your ends. You've seen the lights, so let's show you the inside where the new fan is, in case I didn't already show you. There's a fan. So here is a little music for you. It sounds excellent. A lot of bass response. Heat sinking this is not hot. like that one is, you will get shocked if you touch that heat sink. This one is not, but it's already getting warm. Let's try out the little fan here without me getting shocked. I didn't get enough heat strength quite on there, but one-handed, let's see what happens here. Oh, it works. It's not very loud, especially with the lid on, so it blows, sucks in the front and goes out the sides. That's the massive heat sink there. Let me see if I can find a piece of paper here and show you how much air it's blowing, which is a ton. Not a very good piece of paper, but and I don't have anything else to show you, but it's a ton. You see the hair moving on my arm there? It's a ton of air coming way out here. Way out here, you see that? Way out here. It's blowing a ton of air. It's not very loud. Got a ton of air coming out both sides. Oh yeah, it's cooling it right now. So that's what we got. It's a beautiful amp, man. One of the best amps I've ever had is the Mackie stuff. The new one's been bought out by somebody else. Mackie has now. It's kind of junk, made in China, but this is all made in Washington State. Excellent stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. And give it just a little bit of juice. Better not turn it up too loud. Thanks guys for watching. Take care. Y'all have a good night. Appreciate you watching. Have a Merry Christmas.